that brings onto the fact checking things, like Google listing things or mentioning something in the SGE that's not factually correct. But I'm just trying to think, how can they go around, or how can anyone go around fact checking that it's correct?
Well, yeah. So the one that I saw was basically they're going to have a fact checking AI that checks the that checks the AI content. So you're going to have an AI that's checking the other AI that's checking the other AI. You know, it's just going to be like an Inception moment, basically, where we're going to have a never-ending cycle of AIs that have to oversight other AIs, and that's probably inevitable human evolution with the whole, you know, health and safety chain of having to have just AI oversighting AI oversighting AI, right? So I think that I don't see any world where it doesn't spit out incorrect information or doesn't spit out something wrong that could be not seen as harmful, right? There's just so many arenas that it could go wrong. That's what I'm kind of looking at, right? Even if you're looking at, you know, anything from like weapons to gambling to, you know, all sorts of like horrendous things, right? It can spit out truly awful information that might not be true, or even worse, might be harmful, right? And I think that's where these rushing decisions of releasing these tools are purely based on competition rather than based on safety. And I think that they're going to have to slow down at some point because they're going to get forced to. And I think that it's going to be an interesting time to see what percentage of SERPs SG fully rolls out on. But I did see the other day that they are allowing the public to now enable SGE on some of their SERPs and stuff. So there's actually an opt-in button being enabled for some Google accounts just in the wild now and things as well. So it looks like it could be rolling out quicker than people even thought. The end of the experiment is supposed to be December of this year. And then they originally said that they were going to release it straight afterwards. But we will see if that holds true. I'm not sure if it will.